I wrote the book because so many people had asked me over the years of how I choose room colour, how I choose wall colour. Why do I put perhaps different shades and tints on ceilings? How do I choose the woodwork colour to go with the wall colour? All these different things I've had over the many years I've been doing this, and I decided I would write something that actually builders and decorators could give out to their clients, that would help them, and actually my clients could benefit from actually sitting down with their friends and family and really going through what colours would be suitable for their properties. The palettes and their creation were one of my favourite things out of the book. So what you have is each different page has a particular colour on it, and it gives you a picture of that colour, a little bit of blurb about that colour, what it's used for, what's been used in this particular photograph, and then underneath that are two, not one, but two palettes that you can lift straight out of the book and straight into your property.